So yung road approach galing doon, dito magtatapos yon. At yung ilalim na nito, yung sa ibaba, dyan sila umpisang bubutas ng mga pile foundations. Initially, from the CRBC, China Road and Bridges Corporation engineer himself, the number of pile foundations that they're going to butas here is around 80. Alam mo yung yung sa atin doon sa Matina Aplaya, galing Talomo, mga 160 pile foundations yun eh. Garang ka mako siya, garang ka beautiful. Sa view lang daan dari.